super. Product is good. Received in a good condition. It taking time around 15 minutes to heat, but it's preserving that hot water for 1 to 2 days. Nice product. It's good and reasonable price. Nice and easy to use. Water remains hot for 4 to 6 hours, sometimes much longer, that depends on weather. Quick heating time, energy consumption is less. Stylish sleek look. Easy to install, nice product, but plug and inlet, outlet hoses extra charge, 480 while installation. Product is good and other services are also good. Amazing geyser. Though I live in city outskirts, I have required free installation and the water gets heat at 15 mins. Go for it, worth buying. Easy to install. Click link in description for more reviews.